Bobby's got his train. No, Bob, you got to conduct it. You got to control it. Bob, you got to stay right here. Here, you want me to get your stool? Here, stand right here. Don't touch it. Mom, can you get the stool? Okay, go ahead. Mom's going to get the stool. Good job, buddy. You're such a good conductor. Do you want your hat back on? Here you go, conductor. Wee wee.
Hoot hoot! Hoot hoot!
I'm so happy for you, sunshine. Can I just put that in the middle, Mom?
Here. Let's train it.
Okay, control it. Don't. Remember what we said? Just do the controller. Here. That's the part you took. Good job, Conductor Bob. You did so good, Bobby.
The thing stuck
Yep.
on the
We don't touch anything else, son. Otherwise, we won't be able to play with
Oh,
it.
does he have a red light signal or not?
Yep, he's got a front signal. Don't touch anything else, right, Bobbo?
Ooh, look at that truck.
So good, Bobby. Don't touch them.
It stopped.
They're not toys, right? Stopped right in front of you. Good stop, Bob. You're such a good conductor.
Hey, let's not short it out.
Hey, Bob, you don't do it like that. That's going to break it. You're not going to have it very long if you do it like that.
Knock the huffers off.
That's why we need to get more tracks. Are you done?
It stopped.
Are you done playing with it? You ready to put it away and go get some more tracks? Make the ding ding sound. Make the cheese grade sound. Ding 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 ding. Make it. You do the sound. Oh, you're so good.
This is the two.
Yeah, we don't touch it. Don't touch it, Bob.
And the two.
Good. Yeah, we can't touch anything. Otherwise, we won't be able to play with it. They're not toys.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, let's stop, Bob. Say bye. Bye to the camera. Look at the camera. Say bye-bye. Say thanks for the train, Mama and Papa. Look, Bobby. Bob. Can you say that so we can turn the camera off, please?
It's a total.
I know, we don't touch it.
Yep, it's
Bob, can you say thanks
It's red.
so we can turn
Yes, it is red.
so we can turn the camera off? Can you say thanks, Mommy and Daddy?
No, Dad, I'm smelling all that total.
Yep, we don't touch
Oh,
it, Bob.
smelling all the coal
We
in the
don't
Red
touch.
Bull car?
Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Bob. Can you say goodnight? Bye-bye. Good night from Fullertown.
Daddy's talking to you.
That's heavy.
Can you say
Can you say goodnight from Fullertown?
Good night, Town.
Thanks, Mommy and Daddy, for the train, for your birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy and Dad.
No, say
I'm a
just
teacher.
say goodnight. Good night.
Good night.
Look at the camera and say bye-bye.
Hey, right here.
Bob, just say goodbye so I can turn the camera off. All right, Bob. Good night.